Always the way in it goes. Drop the gloves when you're running late. Let's get these gloves on. Cool. I think we are good to go. Horn's working. Typical sprint, takes a second to get started. Alright, let's go. I could have done with washing the bugs off the front of my helmet, but maybe I could do that when I stop at András's. Right, we're almost at András's. I wonder if he'll be waiting outside for me. Like an angry mum. Where you been? Is he outside? No, he's not. He's blackies though. Love the hair, dude. Is that a home haircut? Love it.
Sweet.
Nice. Called in now. So another Friday ride. Is this going to be our thing every Friday? Friday rides in the sun in Surrey. As long as I keep distance from you, I can sit in your garden. I'll be around it every day, mate.
£5.
But you're overestimating your company.
Still working on the business model.
Yeah, I think it needs some work. Let's get some fuel. Do you need fuel?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we'll be there in 30. Average speed check.
Yeah, I need to do that. Actually, they're gonna do the TV meters to check the sound as well. I'm like, what the fuck?
Looking good.
Yeah.
Social distancing. You want to sit on my lap? Yeah, ready, Chris? You leading?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello. Is there meant to be a light flashing? Because I can't see one.
Well, yeah. Maybe. Maybe not. I'm going to turn the light off.
To be fair, we could have just flown the drone there.
This isn't going to be very nice. This is called Zigzag Hill.
That sounds good.
Sounds good, but there's an Audi in the way. Whatever this is coming looks interesting.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out what it was.
Oh, this is nice.
Why does it dig so much around here?
I don't know, but what a spot to fly the drone down into and then bring it up and pan across the bike. You could park. Yeah, gotta find a good spot. Bit of knobbing. Fucking hell, yeah. Yeah, I think if you find a good spot.
Fucking barge.
Know your bike.
Right.
Alright. Yep. I meant Neil.
Fuck you lot. The barge. Come round.
Is it a GoPro recording?
Yeah.
Yeah. I just thought it'd be dead. I just did not think it'd be busy. I've never seen it this busy here.
Wow, look at that.
Just have to park up and walk down with the drone. got 4 in there. I was thinking all 4 across 2 spaces.
Yeah, go forward, Andres. Go straight.
I'm going for this one then.
Or I could just come behind you, Chris, and leave Andreas in his own Billy No Mates.
It's space for his door. I'm going to turn around, what are you talking about?
The barge.
Light work with the bass on the track, on my feet to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink, but it's straight from the tap. And I'm hating the slack, couple miles run around like the hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash, cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back.